I saute my peppers, onions, and okra, I cut up my smoked sausage and I only do half of it. It just depends on how much you want to put in there. And then I put the already cooked extra small shrimp in it. And I'm going to try this for the first time, the gumbo base. And I pre-cook my rice in my rice cooker. It says to mix 6 cups of water with the gumbo base and 2 tablespoons of oil. The onions and okra have sauteed, so now I'm going to add in my smoked sausage and my shrimp. Okay, I've let my sausage and shrimp cook with the peppers and onions for about 10 minutes. And now I'm going to add in my base with the 6 cups of water that it added a tablespoon of this Old seasoning, and I let this simmer for about 25 minutes. Gumbo is done. I hope you like it and subscribe. Thank y'all. You have a great day.